I am going to make myself a little salmon bowl, and I have some things to put on my stuff. Rice seasoning, and it's got seaweed in it. It's so pretty. See? And do a little bit of this spicy chili. This stuff is spicy, like it makes you cough, but I like it. So I'll put a little bit, like I'm gonna stir it in. My heat tolerance is just decent. It's not the best. I just put it in the air fryer with some like teriyaki seasoning on it. And then I have some white sesame seeds. And then I have these seaweed snacks. 25 calories for the entire package. So we're gonna do them all. Just put them there. And then I have 1 cup, which I chose peas. And just put them on the side. That's my dinner. It looks so good. Would you eat this?